Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a super easy lemon cookie recipe. All you need is 4 ingredients: a lemon cake mix, 1 egg, 2 cups of Cool Whip, and powdered sugar. So the first thing you're going to do is just mix all those ingredients together. That container of Cool Whip is actually about 4 cups, so if you just kind of eyeball it and do half of the container, then it'll be the 2 cups, but you could totally measure it out if you wanted to. So you're just going to mix all those ingredients together. The batter is going to be kind of sticky. And then take 2 teaspoons and make just little batter balls with it and drop it in the powdered sugar and roll it around and then put it on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Super easy, everything comes together really quick. And then you're just going to pop it in the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes depending on the temperature of your oven. So while that pan was in the oven, I just put together a second pan so I could pop it in right away when they came out. This recipe does make about 2 dozen cookies, so if you needed more than that, then you would just have to double it. Do 2 boxes of cake mix, 2 eggs, and then the full container of Cool Whip. But this is what the cookies look like when they come out. They're super gooey and delicious, and you'll just want to eat the whole batch, but share them with your friends instead. So that's it. That's all you have to do. And you could totally use different kinds of cake mixes. I think I'm going to do red velvet next time. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Bye.